I'm Seguí from PICVISA. PICVISA is a company offering solutions in the end life of the packaging itself. So we are offering machine vision and artificial solutions to the recycling industry. So we are a 20 years experienced company. We are structured in 4 business units. We have a line of optical sorting devices, a line of robotic units, which is pretty new, and we are now in a promoting phase. We have a brain division which applies all the technology only on the optical. Both robotics and optical sorting are machines or are pieces of equipment that interact with the industrial flow, with the waste stream. But also we are now beginning to apply, as the industry moves to the 4.0, we are beginning to apply just the analytical solutions. And then we have also the customer care business unit. So our main know-how is applying both machine vision technologies and artificial intelligence to our equipment in order to recognize and detect valuable packaging from the waste stream. One of our main products is all the glass industry, so the glass packaging, which applies mainly machine vision techniques through the visible spectrum and also the ultraviolet spectrum in order to detect glass from other contaminants, which mainly are metals and ceramics. We also separate all the packagings once it is shredded into pieces. We separate them in colors in order for that glass to be reused in the glass manufacturers. Recently, we built up a very big facility in the middle of Spain, around the Madrid area, treating 25 tons per hour of this material. So this is the Green Dot Association in Spain, recollecting the glass packaging in a selective way of the household waste. So the facility spreads all the material and then separates it by different colors and cleans it up for being reused. Another big area we are working on is the optical sorters mainly for plastics and paper and cardboard recovery facilities. So the yellow container having the household waste needs later on to separate different polymers one from the other. So here we use mainly NIR hyperspectral techniques to separate the different polymers one from the other. This, as Thomas was saying before, depends on each country, the regulation that it has. One kind of algorithms or other are being used. So for example, just as a quick recall, for example, in Spain we separate mainly PET, HDPE, and Tetra Pak, while in other countries in Europe these materials are being also separated by colors, and for example, polypropylene is also being recovered. This does not happen still in Spain, and theoretically it is being said that it's due to not having enough material in the waste for justifying this kind of investments in the facilities. Also recently built up in the north of Spain a facility for the yellow container waste, applying this kind of techniques. So and then this has been pretty much the state of the art for the last, I would say, 50 years regarding the recycling industry. From 3-4 years ago, we are working now in introducing artificial intelligence to our equipment, which brings up new kind of recognition to the market. Because, for example, before it was very difficult to separate PET bottles from trays, from PET trays. This now, through artificial intelligence, has been achieved with a very high efficiency. For example, in HDPE streams, we had the problems of having silicone tubes, or also we used to have low-density polyethylene in this kind of flows, which makes it difficult for the recycling afterwards of these materials. This through artificial intelligence algorithms has been achieved. So the new set of features that are being able to be done now through techniques. This brings us to solutions, which is the new phase of automation of the plants. Still in the recycling industry, we have manual labor being done directly with the waste streams. This was because there was some parts of the recognition of the materials that could not be achieved through the NIR sorters, mainly. So through the artificial intelligence now and combined with the robotics, we are able to solve and go further in automation of these processes, and we use them mainly for the quality control at the end stage of the recycling process to achieve higher purity in the materials and to improve also the productivity of the facilities. We're having now, for example, just as we being applied robotic solutions in packaging for medicines waste. The ability that the artificial intelligence is bringing to the industry is that it's very much scalable to any kind of stream. It's very adjustable to any kind of stream, and brings up a whole new set of opportunities in the market. We also have a facility test center in IBÉRICO for customers in the nearbys of Barcelona, where we have an industrial facility to do industrial testing for the customers in order to validate their applications. And we're a company that has over 250 optical sorters sold in the market. We more or less do a turnover of 6 million per year and sell around 40 to 50 equipments per year as well. Yeah, our customers are mainly the engineering companies doing facilities in the recycling industry, and also the big waste managers around the world. And so that's pretty much it. And feel free to contact or to ask anything you may need.